Welcome to the Akashic Ho'oponopono to clear triggers from scarcity connected to your memory, conscious or unconscious. This powerful session combines Akashic Healing and the special presence of Kemetek, the Akashic Realm messenger that guides us in the path to manifesting an abundant life. As the healing guides are facilitating this session, I invite you to repeat with me the Ho'oponopono for the memories that may come during the session. To get started, I invite you to start the session with your eyes opened, looking at the Akashic Realm messenger, Kemetek, on the screen, allowing your eyes to move through the screen, through the symbols, colors, and vibration, breathing in and out. And as you breathe in, breathe all the power from Kemetek, opening pathways within your energetic system, awakening you and your world for manifestation. One more deep breath in and out. And as you breathe out, you're going to close your eyes, bringing the attention to your body. And take a nice deep breath to any area that you may feel calling your attention. As you breathe out, just relax that area. We are going to invite your higher self to the top of your head. Take a moment to smile and say hello to your higher self and receive your old wise soul. Welcome you, emanating you unconditional love and compassion towards you. My healing guides are here and they are gently arriving at your space, asking your higher self to co-create this healing for you. And we're going to start by asking your higher self to show to the healing guides all memories, conscious or unconscious, where you create agreements with lack and scarcity that you're ready to release. And the healing guides are going to start silently clearing those triggers from your memories. While the healing guides are clearing those triggers, we have the presence of the archetype of Kemetek, and he's here to teach the intelligence of your body about how to hone the power of manifestation. So we're going to start by asking Kemetek, what am I here to learn? And let's be open to receive his message. And Kemetek shares that the heart is the window for your soul, and the more you open your heart for yourself, forgive yourself or anyone that may ever have taught you, conscious or unconscious, about scarcity, for anyone that may ever had betrayed you or taken advantage of you financially. Kemetek is emanating the most beautiful diamond quality energy to your heart, helping you to shift any interpretations about yourself that you're ready to release regarding those triggers from those memories. While both Kemetek and my healing guides are working in silence, we're going to do the Ho'oponopono for some of the Akashic memories that are coming up. regardless if those memories are yours from this lifetime or past lifetimes. As we repeat the Ho'oponopono together, we clear contracts, we feel lighter, and each day more and more we open to this universe of possibilities, of trust, surrender, and love. Let's repeat the Ho'oponopono for any choices you made in the past that you may resent, conscious or unconscious. Deep breath in. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Let's repeat the Ho'oponopono for any memories where you gave up before the end. And you may still today look back and wonder what could have been. With love and compassion to yourself, let's repeat the Ho'oponopono words. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And now let's repeat the Ho'oponopono for anyone that you met in this lifetime that may have taught you, consciously or unconsciously, about scarcity. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now let's repeat the Ho'oponopono for any beliefs that you chose to make true about money in your life and that you're now ready to release. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Repeating the Ho'oponopono for yourself for any choice, conscious or unconscious, to attach scarcity and fear to money. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Repeating the Ho'oponopono for yourself for forgetting that you are connected to this amazing source of abundance, deeply connected to the higher power in your life, God, the universe, and that all your desires are here to be manifested. Repeating the Ho'oponopono for the part of you that forgot how powerful and connected you are. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And now open your heart and recommit your commitment to yourself, to your mission in life, and to the truth that you're always taken care of. The better it gets, the better it gets, the better it gets. That the universe always have your back. And so it is. Let's bring our hands to our heart in gratitude for the healing guides, in gratitude for the Akashic Realm messenger, Kemetek. And so it is. You got this, and I love you. See you soon.